Oh man, look at that hole in that road. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey my amazing people, how is everyone doing today? Well, as for me, I'm enjoying this day, man. It's a beautiful day, beautiful sunny day after 1 week of rain. I know I haven't posted any videos lately, but I was so busy this week. But today, I'm taking a rest. I'm relaxing today. I'm just going for a road trip. Me and my buddy here, he's there. We're going for a road trip. We're going to the hydro dam way up in Brokopondo, district Brokopondo, another district in Suriname. You guys have heard in my previous videos I mentioned about the 10 districts in Suriname. Brokopondo is one of the districts. So we're going where the hydro dam is. You know, right now the level in the dam, the water level in the lake, it's abnormally high. So when the level of water is high in the lake, they have to release the excess water. So there's 4 floodgates on the dam. So they usually open the floodgates to let the water come out. I've never seen that since I'm living here in Suriname. I heard the floodgates are open right now. We're gonna take a drive there and we're gonna see what's the situation up there, because I heard, because those gates are open, I heard there's some flooding in the area also. We're gonna go take a look and see what it's like up there, guys. Join us on this this drive. Relax, throwback, and let's have fun together, guys. This is the road going towards the dam. I mean, I've showed you guys this road many times, but you know, guys, every time I show this road, there's maybe something else new that you guys haven't seen us yet. So you come down this road and then you can get to the highway. This used to be the aluminum factory in front of us here, and it's going towards Brokopondo. I can see some clouds up in the air, so the rain might threaten us later. Beautiful country, beautiful country. My kind of ambience, my kind of country. All the beautiful trees. If you guys can remember this road coming up here, going towards the right, if you take this road all the way, let's say about 9-10 kilometers, it takes you right not far from the airport, the international airport of Suriname. This same road here. It's called the Daisy Poultry Highway. And we're still on the way to Afobaka. This is what I enjoy doing. Long stretches of road in front of you. And you keep driving and you keep driving. Admiring the nature, admiring the sceneries. Relax, stress-free. Occasionally, when you turn back to go to the city, stress come back to you again.
No, you're supposed to take the stress and leave it.
Yeah.
Come back without the stress.
Yeah, but the stress is follow you back to the city.
No, you bring it back.
Yeah. Look, there's a sign. I love Brokopondo. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at the beauty here. Wow. beautiful. Nice. The water level high here. Wow. I was actually over the road already. It went back down a little bit.
Quality lot of these.
Straight ahead, you can see the dam. See, that's the dam. Starts from all the way out there, it goes across here. One, two, three, oh, five. There are 5 gates. I thought there were 4. And I'm living here so long in this country. This is the first time I am witnessing this. Beautiful weather, guys. You can see right there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 floodgates. There are lots of people here looking at a spectacle too. A lot of energy, yeah. But like I said, I heard that this spectacle right now might be a good thing in releasing the amount of water in the lake, but I heard it's causing a lot of problems with the flooding. So that needs to be dealt with too. Well, they had said that if this dam should, let's not wish that to happen, but if this dam should break, Parmar will be flooded underwater. That's how much water there is in that in the lake. That's being held back by that dam. And chaps come and sit and drink in the beer, taking on the side. Everybody. Look at the crowd, guys. You see the crowd? Everybody looking at the spectacle. Because you don't always see this. It don't always happen. There's probably a campsite there, or a resort or something. Yeah, that looks like a resort right straight in front of us there. Oops, right. Shake up all the camera. Oh man, look at that hole in that road. Shoot. That will leave your car in pieces. Oh shoot. Go back. Wala na siya pals. I'll go the wrong way, that's this way. Nothing happened to me, happened to you.
No.
Oh, that's a break up your car, man. I guess you need a 4x4 to come up here. You need a 4x4 to come up here. Okay, now we're going up towards the dam, on top of the dam. Up, up.
A different wall up here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, come na. Come na, come na. Ooh. And the sun is a bit hot now, eh?
Mm-hmm. Okay, that people smart. Sana being young, fine.
That's a smart thing to do. See, the sun is so hot, guys. Woo! It's gonna rain, and it's gonna rain just now. You'll see. You'll see. After the sun, it's gonna rain. Check it out, guys. That's the bridge we just drove over. Look at the beauty of this. Just look at the beauty, guys. Right now we're standing on top of the dam. Isn't that a breathtaking sight? Look at the beauty. And this is on the other side of the dam. This is the lake. This is where the water level is a little bit high. Let me go down some more. Okay, guys, we're in a small village. Well, I don't know if it's a small village, but it's called Gregs. It's supposed to be a resort where you can come and swim also. I know I've been here one time, but that was many years ago. But so we drove in here, but nothing much to see at the moment because it's raining again. So we're just heading back out, getting back to the main road and get back into the city. I was able to see the floodgates open on the hydro dam, so I'm happy. When I say happy, I mean I never saw that before, so that's the first time I'm seeing it since I'm living here in Suriname.
What's it?
Yeah, let's see what the police want. They gonna stop us or not? Okay, okay, thank you. Police just told me goeiedag, good day. So we're heading back into the city. Well, so that was a beautiful afternoon drive, and I have to do that more often. It was very relaxing. So you guys take care of yourselves, stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the other videos. So until then, God bless.